go know. Because right now we just have go someplace we never sure what we are doing, you know.
Right, me I say. But you see, to the vibes and how me look, me go anywhere right now.
Yeah, because you turn up, you know.
Yeah, man, me see
You see
it,
you
man.
come out in your Halle Berry style.
Oh,
and
yes. Hey, man, I made the original, you know, man.
Yeah, I tell you.
A piece of eat, a sugar for me the way me at.
Lord God. But guess that, me did buy 2 pieces of chicken in one.
Oh, yes, man. A 2 sweet biscuit, me just eat a while ago, because I say, whoa, when Francine come, we are going to eat.
Yeah.
So, I appreciate that piece of chicken. What kind of chicken? Fried chicken?
Fried chicken, yeah.
Praise God, praise God. God be all the praise, man. We worship, we worship, we worship.
I'm eat fried, you know.
No, the sweet biscuit will work. It's not good.
I'm eat fried. Hi! This is your girl Francine, aka Mitchie Boo.
And who is this? This is the Jamaican Halle Berry. So me a sport and a regular not me, you know.
Oh God.
The name is Raquel Russell. Watch it. Today I want it. Today I
Paper. To the name Chose Out. Chose Out. And girls roll out. All this thing. Girls are roll out. So you what? I feel like we would take a look off one of the little something there, you know? So I feel like we are going to just go emancipate ourselves from mental slavery. What you feel like?
Come on, somebody. Come on. Alright,
so we can just swing by and then we'll go see what go on further on in the news. What you say?
Yeah, man, we can huckle up them, man.
Who ready for emancipation? Let us introduce you to Emancipation Park for those who really know what going on. Now, as you can see, people, Jamaica's journey to freedom. What you're looking at, it's a chronological corridor in honor of the Jamaican national heroes, highlighting their significant tribute to nation building from the days of slavery through emancipation to independence. Yeah, this is what is happening. A big work that, you know, me almost bite my tongue, you know. Yeah, man, chronological. Me nearly bite my tongue, you know. So, Barry, what you say over here, so? What go on here, so?
You know, so them say the nanny of the Maroons.
Yeah?
Yeah, the Queen Mother.
So, take off your mask and talk to me.
Hold on, man. Don't buy now, man. The distancing and them things, alright. So, it say, boy, it is believed by some historians to have been born in West Africa of the Asante origin and escaped from slavery after being brought to Jamaica. Right. She was an outstanding military leader.
Who we are talking about?
Nanny of the Maroons, man.
See her here, you know, people.
My goodness.
Watch Nanny.
Who sculpted the egg? A real deal, this is
watch Nanny. Nanny a lot
slavery.
Watch Nanny knows
freedom fighter. Nanny was known for successfully leading the Maroons in fierce guerrilla battles against, my goodness.
She brave.
Yeah, man, hey. Them soon put my face up there now.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
You think your face can?
Fight. We are fight.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Nanny, respect.
Yeah, man. Yeah. So you did not say at the end of the day, in all of the lineup, where you see the different national heroes, it's so good to know say you have a female stand up in the middle of that. Yeah, man, she brave, man, she brave.
Spirit of freedom.
Yeah, man, and we say it, man. See it, your people, and a joke thing. And yes, so we there. AKA Mitchie Boo, and guess which part with the Emancipation Park. And let me tell you something. A beat never beat her to sickness. Watch her over there, pure for cheerful. A problem on the table here.
Look on the face, you're good. You feel like this is the defeated face. Make I tell you this. Watch this.
No talking. Ready. Ready. Hold on. Ready. On the mark. Aye. Man, let's get the table out of the drum. Ready, man. Nervous. Come on, man. Hold the air, ready, no, man.
Hold on. That me a try to show you.
More time,
You have to build up the confidence. Remember, say, the world I watch me.
Alright, right now. You have to set your face away now. Hold on. Do your face away. Wait. No, I drop it. Wait.
Hold on.
Tired?
Are we near it?
You're tired too easy, man. Ready? I saw you have to set when you're match. So. I want to play with some real champion because you can't take them from here. Totally. I want to play with some junior, some senior big record holder. Alright? Ready?
Hold on.
You tired? It's too easy to
You must
tired.
have know somebody where we're good on this game here. One of them can get a shot.
What you mean?
Where my phone there? Hold on.
People. You don't know when people are pretty now. Them never know say
Yeah, my
it's
friend.
bad like that. Them never
Yeah.
understand.
You have a girlfriend where you go on like she want to mash me up on the table here. You can come across? Yeah, man. Alright, thanks. Yeah. Respect. Watch you all go on.
You can't give no credit for your phone. Move on. So what
See my friend, yeah, man. Come in, man.
Yeah,
man, come in.
You have to go to the champion. Where you say you're the boss on table tennis?
Yeah,
And
man,
you
share the
should
boss.
call
Yeah, man, share the boss.
And you should call back to come beat me in a table tennis. Look here. Already she ready?
Yeah!
Alive. Let me see
Sure.
more because let me tell you something. What you never know, people know this. We used to play for Jamaica in my sleep. Know that. She doesn't come and say that. She afraid of me. She afraid of me. She afraid.
No, I'm waiting to see action.
You know what? Some who beat her. Alright, ready?
Ready.
Can't mash up my 1.8 million, you know? Ready? Who are you, man? Hold on, we can't say nothing. Hold on.
People, you have to beat me, eh?
It's not lawn tennis.
People,
The last game.
I champion this way, you can't say
Man,
that.
at the last
I'm being so winning up.
Let me tell you, man, at the last game. See it, yeah?
Yes. Push it back. No. It's not lawn tennis.
People, a sign like a sign. If the champion don't come on the board, a sign like a sign. Champion, I beg you, please rescue me.
Right now,
Rescue me.
you have to understand now. Warm up time. Ladies and gentlemen, you see any how she beat me, me allow her to do it.
Jeez and peace. Mash her down.
Sorry.
Bap. No man, they are depend on you, sis. They are depend on you. See that?
But it's alright. I'll give it to you.
Eddie,
Not editing around here, you see? Done hard for me, sis. Done hard. Final game, this final game. No, who win a while ago?
Hey, no.
Hold on.
We win.
No, the girl never ready. What kind of foolishness that?
A few moments later.
You see how when you see food, you just a skin your teeth and a go on. No, look here, people. At this year gone. Black Forest cheesecake.
Black Forest cheese.
I like it.
Jesus.
Watch your face. Real
Look
please
here.
post.
We'll talk to them later. They got busy.
Busy.
12 seconds later.
Raquel, what do you? You getting a spirit? It tastes good?
What?
Oh God.
Look here. You see them cake here? You can't just gluttonous with it. You have to just take your time. See it here?
Give me a dip again. Let me see it. Let me see it. Go again. Let me see it. Oh! Now you know if you let go one of them. Yobo!
20 minutes later.
Bruh, set up. You want to get Ed? Let me say, let's see where I've gone. Love it.